Today we're going to look at the Yongnu Digital YN300 Air Pro LED video light. These are two lights that come from China. They've gotten pretty good reviews and I really like them. I've ordered a battery set at the same time from Beston, and that was off Amazon, and it's a double pack, and I like that because you get a dual charger and you can keep both batteries charged at the same time. The purpose of this video though was to show the battery life when these things installed and not installed. So what I want to do is turn these both on. I just charged these and both batteries are at P9. So what I'm going to do is turn them both off, and we're just going to leave battery 1 installed in the device, and battery 2 I'm going to take out and just store it next to it. What we're going to do is come back in a few days and we're going to see how the differential in charge is. So I think there's some discharge going on when these things are installed, and that might be just common for a lot of devices, but we'll see what this looks like when we come back in a few days. Okay, we're back. It's 3 days later after I showed the first scene. So I've had these two units stored for about 3 days. This one was stored with the battery in, battery 1, and then this unit was stored with the battery out, and that's battery 2. So let's go ahead and plug this battery in and let's see what the power levels look like. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and start with the battery 1 light. Okay, plenty bright and everything looks good. Let's see what the power level is. Okay, it's at P6. Let's go to this guy. Plenty bright. Let's see what this level is. P9. So just by storing it 3 days, this has already gone down three or four levels compared to the one that battery was out of it during that period of time. So it's just a quick test to see if it makes a difference to have the batteries in these as you're storing them or not, and apparently it does. So I found that out the hard way a few weeks back, where I had both of these stored with the batteries in, and then when I went to use them, they had plenty of light left in them, but they were like on P2 or something like that. So I had like another half-hour light, something like that, which worked out okay for me. But just if you have something with a battery in it, you may consider taking the battery out for long-term storage or even medium-term storage. So that's all this video was for. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you really like this video, please thumbs up. And if you really like it, please subscribe. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching.